No, first of all, I am executive head chef, right? And physically, whole day, I'm on my feet. We don't have chairs in the kitchen or armchairs. It's why physically I'm supposed to feel myself healthy and, of course, comfortable. Daily, for example, you can't walk because physically you can't stand on this right-hand side hip. When you see stairs, it's like you already decided this will be new adventure because it's really, really painful, right? To sit in a car after a busy day, it's not easy, but it's happened. And after I just drive home, probably 15 minutes, right? And after another adventure to come out from a car, I was under the painkiller nearly 11 months on a daily basis. It's why it's actually quite harsh because it's affect my stomach. I need to take another pills, to fix my stomach, and it's too complicated. Till now, I didn't have any consultation with orthoped. I know I'm not talking about referral letter from orthoped or something. I just get only new information list. Are you actually still interested in consultation with orthoped? And meanwhile, I already, my GP helped me actually to make X-rays, to get a referral letter, to come here. Staff from a clinic pick me up in airport and take me straight away to clinic. And I'm physically straight away in hospital. I don't need to search to anybody. They actually provide full transfer from airport to clinic and back, right? It's why I am finishing, I have fly on Monday, 10 o'clock in the evening, and physically 7:30 in the evening on Monday, they will arrange my transfer straight away from clinic to airport. It's not an issue, it's not a problem really. I think it's good professional who knows his job. He actually do it very well. Honestly, regarding surgery, as I say from Thursday, I have not even small complaint. Everything was done absolutely perfectly. Rehabilitation part physically, it's first of all, it starts 7 o'clock in the morning. But first you have electromassage, after you have lympho, you have first physiotherapy, right? After you have breakfast, you have breakfast after physiotherapy, after regular massage with special anti-inflammatory cream, right? You have lunch, after again physiotherapy, again massage, It's actually quite, I will say, busy day. This is what's important, It's not about lying in a bed. You need to move as much as you can. More you move, quicker your rehabilitation is going. First of all, I will be able to do my day-to-day normal life and work. You are working, for example, in a big kitchen environment, right? And you feel that any extra movement and you just expect pain, It's quite complicated. It's psychologically quite rough, Now I'm free. It's kind of freedom, Freedom from pain. It's most important.